Hey there, tech wizards and curious minds. Ever wondered that artificial intelligence actually is? It is a super genius robot plotting to take over your Wi-Fi password, or just a fancy name for a calculator on steroids. Today, we are diving into AI, a term that has a mysteries as your grandma's internet search history. But don't worry, I promise to make it simple, fun, and maybe a little scratchier. Let's get started before the algorithm start juggling us. Like, subscribe, and let's decode the matrix of artificial intelligence together. What is artificial intelligence? So let's talk about it. What is artificial intelligence? Let's see, and now let's start. Hi, I'm Rayyan. This course on artificial intelligence was developed in partnership with Rayyan. Okay, so let's get started. So this video must be smaller because in today's video I'm just telling you about what is artificial intelligence. So that's fine. What is AI? First, we talk about it. What is AI? First of all, you must know what the full form of AI. The AI stands for artificial intelligence. The full form is of AI is artificial intelligence. Now, it given its a recently popularity, artificial intelligence or AI for a short, may sound like a new field that emerged a few years ago, but in fact, it organized date back much further in 1950s. Okay, Alan Turing raised one of the earliest questions related to the field: Can machines think? Can machine think? So this type of one question it has been given me. Now, what is AI? One more lesson about it. Shortly after the trending questions, AI was born as a new scientific discipline, the vision for AI, and that time was somewhat idealistic and ambiguous. What is AI? And Alan Turing himself stated that a computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human by behaving as one. But where does AI come from? Where the AI has come from. If we don't know where the AI has come from, let me tell you where the AI has come from. First thing first, computer science. AI originated as a new branch of knowledge within the computer science, which is the group of technical knowledge needed for automatically processing information by computers. Just like a big tree with lot of branches, computer science is an one umbrella discipline consisting of many sub-areas, some of which are computer hardware, architectures, programming languages, operating systems, algorithms, data structure, artificial intelligence, and so on. Even though these branches of computer science are naturally unrelated, from now on we will put the lens on one of them, artificial intelligence. Now, artificial intelligence AI. Has also received various type of definitions over time. McCarthy was considered another of the fathers of AI back in 1950 when it has been back in 1915, defining it as the scientific and engineering of making intelligent machines. A more detailed definition describes AI as the science of building machines that learn how to mimic reasoning, decision making, and in general human like intelligence to solve a problem. Recently, with the rise of big data technology. Now, AI has adopted a heavily data driven communication, being defined by the EU Commission as a system that perceive their environment, collect data, and interpret it to the region over knowledge, inferred, make decisions, and take the best. So this is about the artificial intelligence. What is it? So let me tell you some AI versus artificial general intelligence. So let me talk about it. Even AI has its limits. Okay, means AI has its limits, and one way to understand them is through the notion of artificial general intelligence, or in the short form, you called it AGI. Contrary to AI or artificial narrow intelligence, AGI refers to systems that equal or exceed average human intelligence, being able to solve the breadth of tasks intelligently. Meanwhile, AI systems are good at solving one or a few very specific tasks they have been designed for. It turns out that real AGI doesn't exist yet. There are few examples of AI systems emulating human intelligence, but none have exceeded. Here's one comparison between examples of classical AI applications like voice assistance, face recognition, personalized product recommendations, and industrial robots against other emerging applications located halfway to a real AGI. AGI means artificial general intelligence. These include self-driving cars, the AlphaGo system capable of mastering the game of Geo, and even generative AI with large language models like GPT. Less practice. The field of AI is still in its infancy, and there is the potential for much more to come. Less practice, and this is our first video of the artificial intelligence, and today's video I talk about what is artificial intelligence. There are many videos of the artificial intelligence. Our course is started now. In today's video I told you about what is the full form of AI, what is artificial intelligence. I told you about the AI versus artificial general intelligence, and many things much more. I talk you about it in today's video, and I hope your concept will be clear about it. What is artificial intelligence? If you enjoy this video, so like, share, and subscribe. And now, this video is smaller because this is the introduction video, means what is artificial intelligence. So that's why the video is smaller. But anyways, for today. And that AI is a nutshell, smart, powerful, and sometimes a little scary. But don't worry, it's here to make your life easier, not to steal your job yet. If you enjoyed this video, smash your like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know that you'd like to learn next in the next video. See you in the next one. Stay curious and keep exploring. So for today, goodbye.